आयज टॅक्सीच्या हितून येयल्लो तुमी टॅक्सीवाले जे एजिटेशनाक गेले पळय तांकांय तुमी पोत्ते मेळपाक येयल्ले. वॉट हॅव तुमी कितें मेळ्ळें डिस्कशन
टॅक्सी एसोसिएशनाचे स्ट्रायक पडटात तेन्ना पयलींसान हांव तेंचे बरोबर आनी तेंगे इश्यू आहलोलो गोवा मायल्स कॉमर्स करता आसतना की तेंगे व्हेरी क्लियर जे इश्यू वॉज दॅट एअरपोर्टार तांकां कावंटर दिवपा जायना. तांकां हॉटेलांनी तांकां कॉम्प्रमायज वर्कआवट केली आनी हॉटेल्सांक कोणे ड्रॉप करपाक जायना पिकअप करूंक जायना. हॉटेल्स वील हॅव सेपरेट काउंटर्स. दीस वॉज द कॉम्प्रमायज दॅट वॉज वर्कड आउट and Goa Miles would operate from only app, no counter in the airport. Everything was decided. The government went back on it. And one of the person who was supporting us backstepped us. I don't want to name anybody, but I want to tell you that I have been with them right through. मोकोडे वोटर नाय मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक 500 टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर असले, टॅक्सी ओनर्स असले, बट आय एम सपोर्टिंग देम एज गोंयकार्स. तेणी इंडस्ट्री सांबाळल्या, तेणी जायत काम केलां, तेणी जायत सॅक्रिफायस केले. हांव म्हणा तेणी उणी गेले पयशे तेणी कोण मायज गेले गेस आमी कितू सारके दुसऱ्यांचे उलोवपाक. सो आय हॅव सपोर्टेड देम. आय एम फॉर अ कॉम्प्रमायज बिटवीन द गव्हर्मेंट एंड देम एंड अ व्हेरी सस्टेनेबल कॉम्प्रमायज टेकिंग एवरीबडी इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. Even now, if government sits on the table, I will put my conditions also on the association, on the taxi guys. It is not that I am only supporting whatever they want, no. But government is not on the right path. The government should have even digital meters can't be put. Digital meters, there is no provision in the law to put digital meters. Movin tells them, Minister Movin tells them, I am going to give you free. Movin, I want to tell Minister Movin that he is not giving from his pocket money and taking out and giving free. It is taxpayers' money. If they give them a good rate and if they give them a rate which is season-wise, whatever, days, months, there are peak season and low season. If those rates are fixed as per season and everything, I will be with the government to enforce the rates on them. I will be with the government if they don't listen to put them in and suspend their licenses. I will be with the government. But they didn't do it. They should have done this before and then brought the app. Government has made a mistake. They would have enforced rules, enforced rates, and then put an app, which they have not done. Well,
one more thing is that today आज त्यांनी सांजचे म्हटलेलें आसा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे की फाल्यां समज तूं गव्हर्मेंट तेंचे कडेन कांय रिस्पॉन्स दिना रिप्लाय दिना द एजिटेशन वूड बी मोर फियर्स आनी चड जातलें.
काल गुडी पडटा जाली, आज आंबेडकर डे. गव्हर्मेंटाक काडीच जो तरी आहा. The heart of the government are the people. If they don't listen to the people, what is the government for? I think they have no right to rule the state. They should have at least come and visited them, at least given them something today, some assurance. Kaina, even on Ambedkar's day, Ambedkar was a leader of the masses, a leader for the downtrodden. If on that day, this government is of the super rich, where Adanis and all these fellows are coming here to exploit the nation and the country and the state, and this government is helping them, and they can't help these poor people, then how it is possible? So I want to tell the government that at least today you should have met them. My request is to the government, meet them and settle the issue. We will stand by you. If you don't settle them, we will stand with them. That's it.
Sir, one more.